We have negative 2x squared minus 5x minus 4 equals 0. They want us to find the discriminant, which is b squared minus 4ac. I see no GCF, so I'm just going to label each one. It is in standard form too, which is nice. Ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. A is equal to negative 2, b is equal to negative 5, and c is equal to negative 4. Okay, we plug these into this formula and see what we have. So we have negative 5 squared minus 4 times negative 2 times negative 4. We get 25 minus 4 times 2 would be 8. 8 times 4, 8, 16, 24, 32 minus 32. We get 32 right here. So we get a negative 7. Since this is less than 0, we have no real solutions. But let's still kind of go about it. Let's have some fun. Let's solve this by, let's see, can I get any, is there any factors? Negative 8 or positive 8? No. All right, let's get our exact answer. Let's do quadratic formula. Negative 2x squared minus 5x minus 4 equals 0. Now we want to see what those imaginary solutions are. We have this here, so let's do our quadratic formula. Move it up a little bit so we can just focus on this. Or let's plug it. Let's not actually do that. Let's do that there. X is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. We get x is equal to negative b, which is negative 5, plus or minus the square root of negative 5 squared minus 4. What is 4 times negative 2 times negative 4 all over 2 times negative 2. Oh, I don't like doing that with the negative leading coefficient. Didn't realize it. That's fine. You could always switch it up if you want. Not a huge fan of it though, and I'll show you what you do. All right, it's not a big deal. It really isn't, but I'll show you what you have to do at the end. Okay. X equals 5 plus or minus square root 25 minus 32. Look at that. That's the same as this. That's where this comes from. Divided by negative 4. X is equal to 5 plus or minus square root negative 7 divided by negative 4. X equals 5 plus or minus I square root 7 divided by negative 4. And we don't want a negative on the bottom because that gets confusing at the time, so let's just flip it to the top. Get x is equal to negative 5 plus or minus I square root 7 divided by 4. So that's how you do it. It's kind of nice that you get to see it. It just flips around like that.